Michael Cohen's attorney was in the courtroom on Monday for Donald Trump's fraud trial in New York. This is her description of how things went down.
Bananas, bonkers, crazy town. I've been practicing law for half my life, which is a long time at this point, both federal and state, civil and criminal. I've never seen anything like this.
So which of Donald Trump's attorneys do you think was a courtroom clown? I'll tell you, it was Alina Habba. Welcome to TYT Overruled. I am your host, Adrienne Lawrence.
Why exactly am I being paid as an attorney, and why exactly are taxpayer dollars being used in this courtroom?
Why is Donald Trump paying Alina Habba to defend him against a potential $250 million fine in a fraud case filed by the New York Attorney General? That I cannot answer for you. But by Habba's own admission, it was definitely her acting up in the court yesterday.
You have a right to hire a lawyer who can stand up and say something when they see something wrong. But I was told to sit down today. I was yelled at, and I've had a judge who is unhinged slamming a table. Let me be very clear. I don't tolerate that in my life. I'm not going to tolerate it here. And you know what? You shouldn't either.
Trial Judge Arthur Engeron is known for being pretty low-key and measured, so if Habba got him riled up, I'd say she earned it. Anyway, Habba has her issues with the judge.
I'm not here to hear what he has to say. That was what rang true, loud, and could not have been more honest, coming from the judge who has already predetermined that my client committed fraud before we even walked into this courtroom. I'm not here to hear what he has to say.
Trump has already been found liable for fraud. This trial is just to determine how much of a fine he should pay. Plus, the jury is the one who should be listening to Trump, not necessarily the judge. But Habba may not be the most astute litigator out there, although she somehow thinks she's better than New York Attorney General Letitia James.
There's so much that I don't think we could finish my block with going through it. This is a woman who taunted the president but likes to act like she's the victim. She comes out only when there's a Trump affiliate child or to her someone who's a C-suite top person. Otherwise, she's not interested in trial. She's never sat at the desk with me. She's never fought it. She's never objected. She's not practicing law. She's just simply there for PR.
Some would say every accusation is a confession. I would say that James is not at the trial table because it's extremely rare for a state attorney general to personally try a case. Habba might know that if she were a competent attorney, something her peers definitely don't think she is.
She also plays this, victim card quite a bit. And then she, on the other hand, she also, attempts to give tutorials in trial advocacy to the other side. So she's trying to tell Kevin Wallace how to ask a proper question, as she did with Michael Cohen. And let me tell you, it was not a masterclass from where I was sitting. I don't know this for a fact, but from what I could tell, has never tried a case before. She's just amazingly supercilious and arrogant.
Habba's already been sanctioned by at least one court in her defense of Trump. So what do you think the chances are that she'll be threatened with disbarment by the end of this trial? You let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Hit those like and follow buttons. And thanks for watching.